Good morning. It's David Gordon in Memphis, Tennessee, a personal injury attorney. We're talking about 19 things you must know if you've been injured in Tennessee or Mississippi. We're not going to talk about all 19 of them today. We're just going to talk about one of them. Today we're going to talk about the fact that compensation is only available to you if the accident is not your fault. If you're 50% at fault, you get nothing in Tennessee. If you're at fault at all in Mississippi, they'll reduce the amount that you're owed by the percentage of your fault. So what does that mean as a practical matter? What should you do because fault is so important? Number one, get pictures. If you've been injured in a car accident, if you've fallen at a store or fallen at your apartment complex, whatever the situation, get pictures. This could be especially helpful in a car accident where each driver contends that the other driver came into his lane. A photograph of the two vehicles at the scene would indicate which vehicle was in the wrong lane. Photographs are vital. Second thing you can do, get the names and phone numbers of witnesses. In most car accidents, there are witnesses. You might even have spoken to one or two of them before they left. But now they're gone, and it's you and the other driver with the police officer. You say you had a green light. The other driver says he had a turn arrow. You know he's lying, but the witnesses are gone. Get the names and numbers of witnesses. What's the third thing you can do at the scene? Or if you've been involved in an accident, because fault is so important, and that is, don't say anything about the crash. It won't help you. Now, if you know that you've rear-ended somebody in your vehicle and you know the accident is your fault, then by all means, apologize. There's nothing you can say that's going to help you in that situation. But otherwise, don't talk about the crash. It will only come back to bite you. These statements are what we call in law admissions, and they'll hurt you in the end. So I've told you 3 things that are important if you've been injured in an accident, because fault is so important. In fact, personal injury analysis starts with determining who is at fault. So I told you number 1, take pictures. I told you number 2, get the names and numbers of witnesses. And then I told you number 3, don't say anything about the accident. All right, that's David Gordon. If you like learning about injury law, subscribe. I'm giving a little talk like this every week, and we'll send it to you. If you think we can help you with your own accident, call us. See if we can help you. We'd love to talk to you about it to see if we can maximize your situation. That's David Gordon in Memphis, Tennessee. Until next time.